All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo that Salty sent me a couple days ago. So here it is, and it's in a blister pack, and it is made in the USA, as all genuine Zippos are. It's got a lifetime warranty. It's windproof, and it comes in this blister pack. And it's got the idiotic P65 warning on it. It's built to last. It's got a reliable spark. It's reusable. It's got easy ignition, pocket sized, wind resistant. And the barcode below the label says flag and deer in a blister pack. And it's made in Bradford, PA, USA. So let's take a look at this thing. Now this came in a holder, which is just a little plastic formed square. Kind of got some felt line. Pretty nice. Keeps it a little bit protected. So there is the Zippo, and you can see the flag, the USA flag in the background. Looks like there's some ducks flying, and there's a deer with flags forming the deer shape. And this was made in, looks like D of 21, April of 21. Bradford, PA, made in USA. It's got the plain steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. Drop test worked good. Zippo has made many USA flag inspired designs. And that one, like most Zippos, deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.